So first of all, for example, on ATEX environments, we have ATEX certified smartphones with the proper accessories. So you have remote speaker microphone enabled also to be used in ATEX environments. Another good solution is noisy environments, airports, factories, and so on. You can actually use this kind of regular ear protectors with the Bluetooth connection to the mobile phone that is widely used already in the industry and combine it with MCX solution, Agnet, and use it in your everyday life. You can use ATEX device transmitting your audio, launching emergency as you would do in a normal environment. You can use a regular headset for transmitting audio. You can use it for multi-purpose usage for different other applications, and you can combine it with the suitable headsets. You can have regular headsets of your own choice. With those and a PTT button, you can take the PTT to have a suitable communication to another. With the suitable accessories, you can also change between the groups to select that which is the group that you want to have your communication with your colleagues. So what we have done so far, we have selected partners. We are in close connection with them, doing a cooperation with them to find the best available devices and accessories. We are testing them together to ensure that in the future and in the field there is no problems with the communication between different devices there. And of course, top of that, also ensure that the use cases or the ways that those devices need to be used are kind of serving the same purpose.